Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Powerline AV2000 is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of networking equipment for any home or office that struggles with Wi-Fi dead zones or unreliable wired connections, offering a robust solution to extend your network's reach using your home's existing electrical wiring. Number 5. TP-Link AV600 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. Introducing the TP-Link AV600 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. It's designed to create a high-speed wired network throughout your home using your existing electrical circuit. Experience incredibly fast data transfer rates, perfect for streaming HD or 3D video and enjoying online gaming. It supports speeds up to 600 megabits per second. Setting up is a breeze. Simply plug one adapter into your router and the other wherever you need a wired internet connection. No new wires or complex configurations are needed. This kit turns your home's electrical wiring into a high-speed network. Bring a stable wired connection to any room with a power outlet, up to 300 meters away. Its miniature size means it blends seamlessly into your home decor. It's smaller than most other Powerline adapters on the market. It automatically enters a power-saving mode when not in use, reducing energy consumption by up to 85%. This helps you save on electricity bills. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and free 24/7 technical support. It's compatible with a wide range of TP-Link Powerline adapters. What we like. This adapter offers a solid 600 megabits per second wired connection, perfect for HD streaming and gaming. Its miniature design blends in discreetly, and it features an impressive power-saving mode that reduces energy consumption by up to 85%. If you're looking for a compact and energy-efficient solution for basic network extension, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a great addition to my home network, extending my wired internet connection to rooms where Wi-Fi is weak or non-existent. The setup was incredibly simple, just plug and play, and the speed is impressive, easily handling multiple HD streams simultaneously. The compact design blends well with my home decor, and the pass-through socket means I don't lose a wall outlet. Number 4. TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter KIT. Are you struggling to extend your Ethernet connection to areas where traditional routers or extenders can't reach? This solution uses your home's electrical system to provide a stable wired connection, ensuring you get the most out of your internet plan. Experience blazing fast AV1000 Powerline speeds, extending your network up to 750 feet through walls and other obstacles. It's compatible with all TP-Link Powerline adapters, making it perfect for any home, from multi-story houses to garages. Create a secure wired network for your desktop computers, smart TVs, or gaming consoles with the included gigabit port and Ethernet cables. Enjoy a reliable connection for all your high-bandwidth devices. Setting up a secure Powerline network is effortless. Simply plug in the 2 included adapters, and you're ready to go, no new wires or complex configuration needed. Remember, they must be installed in sets of 2 or more. For optimal performance, ensure adapters are on the same electrical circuit and plug directly into outlets, avoiding surge protectors. Keep in mind that wiring quality and distance can affect speeds. TP-Link is dedicated to security. This device is designed, built, and maintained with advanced security as a core requirement, reflecting our commitment to your online safety. What we like. Delivering AV1000 speeds, this adapter extends your network reliably through existing electrical wiring, even through thick walls. It features a gigabit port for secure, high-speed connections to your devices and boasts a strong cybersecurity commitment. If you need a robust and secure wired connection for devices like smart TVs or game consoles in areas where Wi-Fi is weak, this is an excellent option. What people say. Setup was truly plug and play, plug both units into wall outlets, connect the Ethernet cables, and it was up and running in minutes. The connection has been much more stable than Wi-Fi for work and video calls, with consistent speeds and no random dropouts. The gigabit port gives fast speeds, perfect for streaming, gaming, or even powering network gear in places where Wi-Fi isn't stable. Number 3. TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. Extend your Ethernet connection through your electrical system. This device is perfect for areas where traditional routers or extenders can't reach. Enjoy speeds up to your internet plan's limit. Experience AV1000 Powerline speeds using your existing electrical wiring. It extends your home network's wired connectivity through thick walls and other barriers. It's compatible with all TP-Link Powerline adapters. This solution is ideal for multi-story homes, basements, attics, and garages. It ensures a stable connection wherever you need it. The gigabit port provides a secure wired network for your desktops, smart TVs, or game consoles. Ethernet cables are included for your convenience. Setting up a secure Powerline network is easy. Simply plug in the two included adapters for instant wired connections. No new wires or configuration are needed. For connectivity, adapters must be on the same electrical circuit and plugged directly into outlets. They do not work with surge protectors. Speeds may vary based on wiring quality and network conditions. We are committed to security. This device is designed, built, and maintained with advanced security as a core requirement, adhering to industry-leading security pledges. What we like. This adapter provides AV1000 speeds and includes a convenient pass-through socket, so you don't lose a power outlet. It also features noise filtering to ensure a cleaner signal. If you need to extend your wired network to devices like gaming consoles or smart TVs and want to maintain the use of your power outlet, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Setup was truly plug and play. Plug both units into wall outlets, connect the Ethernet cables, and it was up and running in minutes. The connection has been much more stable than Wi-Fi for work and video calls, with consistent speeds and no random dropouts. The gigabit port gives fast speeds, perfect for streaming, gaming, or even powering network gear in places where Wi-Fi isn't stable. Number 2. TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter. Tired of weak Wi-Fi signals? Introducing a revolutionary way to extend your network throughout your home. It uses your existing electrical wiring to deliver a stable internet connection. Experience incredible speeds with its gigabit port, ensuring you get the full performance of your internet connection. Stream, game, and download without interruption. This device also acts as a Wi-Fi extender, providing dual-band speeds of up to 750 megabits per second. Easily go through walls and reach every corner of your home with a strong signal. Setup is a breeze with its plug-and-play design, no new wires or complicated configurations needed. Plus, it automatically reduces power consumption by up to 85% in its power-saving mode. Your network remains safe and private with 128-bit AES data encryption. It's also compatible with a wide range of Powerline adapters, making integration simple. Need to add more adapters to your network? It supports Home Plug AV2 technology, allowing you to easily expand your network coverage as needed. What we like. This adapter not only provides up to 1000 megabits per second Ethernet over power but also acts as a Wi-Fi extender with dual-band speeds. It features an automatic power-saving mode and is plug-and-play. If you're looking to extend both your wired and wireless network coverage easily, especially to areas with poor Wi-Fi signal, this is a versatile choice. What people say. Installation was easy. The units in the kit are already paired, so it's literally plug and play. Checking my speed, I was now getting about 35 megabits per second. Which was an improvement over what I was getting, so I was happy with that. All TiVo minis connected successfully and still getting greater than 100 megabits per second signal strength all over my house. So glad I bought these. Number 1. Zyxel G.hn 2400 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. Introducing the Zyxel G.hn 2400 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. Get ready for lightning-fast speeds that make 4K streaming and online gaming incredibly smooth. This kit utilizes innovative G.hn Wave 2 technology. It ensures superior performance, delivering a reliable connection throughout your home. With its integrated power socket, you won't lose the use of an electrical outlet. Simply plug it in and enjoy seamless connectivity. Enjoy a smooth, wired connection with the gigabit Ethernet port. It's perfect for your gaming consoles, smart TVs, PCs, and other high-bandwidth devices. Please note that this G.hn technology is not compatible with older HomePlug AV2 Powerline products. Ensure you have a G.hn compatible setup for optimal performance. What we like. Leveraging next-gen G.hn Wave 2 technology, this adapter offers lightning-fast speeds for demanding activities like 4K streaming and online gaming. It includes an integrated power socket, ensuring no outlet is wasted, and utilizes MIMO technology for superior performance. If you're seeking the absolute fastest and most advanced power line connection for high bandwidth, future-proof needs, this is the adapter to consider. What people say. Connected my main computer and primary router once I had a working power line set, was able to get a decent 150 megabits per second throughput. G.hn tech is an improvement over earlier tech. Definitely use it instead of older power line adapters if you are going to start using them. Range and performance are excellent. Easy to pair and easy to add other devices in places where it's not possible to run a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.